We received in the post from Jonathan Horton Engineering our fire pit come outdoor cooker. Laura will now put it together and show how easy it is. You start with the front and slot the sides in. Now lay it on its front and put the two grates in. You've got a solid one and one with holes in to let the wood ash drop through. Square peg to the front and then lift the sides up. All just slots together. Now just slot the back on. And stand it up. To finish it off, there's two pot supports which you don't need, but they just drop in to slots already cut in the top. And that's the finished item.